Welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to add texture in Blender. Firstly, you need to create the shape. Press Shift plus A, then go to Mesh, then Cylinder. Press S or for scale and move your mouse or type a number to scale the cylinder to the size you want. Now, press S then Z to move your mouse to stretch the cylinder up or down or type in a number. Now press T to open the Tools panel if not already open, then click the Smooth under Tools, Shade in, then Smooth. Now go to the Texture tab, click New to create a new texture. Set type to Image or Movie, and under Image, click Open, then choose the texture file, image you want. Set the object to your cylinder and set coordinates to object, then set projection to tube. And in the 3D viewport, your texture may not be properly until you render, then press F12 to render the scene. Make sure you have a decent lighting in the scene for better results. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.